Bago pa. Enhance digital funnel board. Passing light. Passing light.
Pila kaya, boss, pila. Ibinuwan ito.
Introducing all new Yamaha MT-03, the Master Torque, the dark side of Japan. So kauna-una ang sold out ito sa month of September 1, beer months. So bago yan, bigyan nating silip ang kanyang specs, function at benefits. Tara, let's go! So engine type naman ito is liquid cooled 4-stroke, double overhead cam at cylinder arrangement of N-line 2 cylinder with displacement of 321cc at boarding stroke size of 68.0 by 44.1 mm at maximum horsepower naman ito is 30.9 kilowatts at average of 10,750 rpm. At sa kanyang maximum torque naman, meron siyang 29.6 Newton meter at average of 9,000 RPM. So his starting system is electric starter only. At lubrication system naman is with kanyang engine oil volume capacity. Meron siyang 2.40 liters. Fuel supply system is fuel injection. Clutch type with multiple disc. Transmission type of constant mesh of 6-speed with the frame type of diamond. Yung harapan naman, naka dual pot caliper, single hydraulic disc brake. At size ng kanyang gulong sa harapan is 110 by 70 by 17, so tubeless type. So huwag ka na mga ngaba pa para sa iyong mahaba-habang arangkada kasi napaka-safety ng motor na to. Ito kanya air-cooled liquid cooled cooling system na nagbibigay para iwas overheat sa iyong makina para sa iyong mahaba-habang arangkada. So front suspension is upside down telescopic form. Ito nakalagay ang kanya busina or horn. So headlights, LED lights, napakasilaw, napakagalit na galit, gustong manakit, especially pag gabi. So punta tayo ngayon sa kanyang rear brake. Rear brake niya is single hydraulic disc brake at size ng kanyang gulong sa likuran is 140 by 70 by 17. So harap at saka likod is Dunlop ang model ng kanyang gulong. So rear suspension is swing arms. So ito ang kanyang muscular muffler, pillion rides, kanyang back brake. So sa tail light is LED lights, turn signal left from right is LED lights. So meron din siyang lights para masinagan yung plaka. So ang napakaganda sa kanya, kahit na-off mo na ang yung engine, so meron pa rin siyang hazard. So punta na naman tayo ngayon sa kanyang enhanced digital panel board. Dito makikita ang select at saka reset. Dito rin makikita ang set ng kanyang orasan, neutral indicator, RPM indicator, odometer, kilometer, sa left side makikita rin ang high beam, low beam, turn signal left from right at saka horn. Meron din siyang passing light, clutch type with multiple desks. At sa right side makikita ang throttle, front brake at built-in safety hazard. So gagamitin ang built-in safety hazard kapag meron lang sira sa iyong motor or meron kang emergency. So ignition system naman ito is DCI, transistor control ignition. So sa fuel tank capacity niya is 14 liters. Hindi ka na mangangamba pa para sa iyong mahaba-habang arangkada kasi napakamarami na masali na gasolina. So recommended gas na isalin is unleaded for FI. Ito rin ang kanyang Tucson redefined seat. Dahon type na rin ang kanyang side mirror. So color variation of matte, dark, gray, black. So 2 color combination ng kanya color. Kanyang dimension sa kanyang overall length with that height, meron siyang 2090mm by 755mm by 1070mm. At sa seat height na meron 780mm. At sa wheelbase naman meron siyang 1380mm at minimum ground clearance of 160mm. So nagtitimbang ito ng 168 kilos. Napakagaan lang. So sa naghahanap ng pang manual transmission na motor dyan, ito ang kunin nyo, ang The Master of Torque MT-03. So sa gusto mag-cash installment sa tala kayo dito sa Yamaha Motor Hub Tibungco in front of 7-Eleven Tibungco, Davao City. We cater cash installment and online application. Lock your trusted agent June Repolyo. This is Arjun TV Vlog. Please like, subscribe my YouTube channel Arjun TV Vlog at my Facebook page of Arjun TV Vlog. Ride safe, keep safe, and always wear a 7 senses when you drive.